Now picture yourself attempting to relax in a peaceful environment when suddenly you become aware of a ringing in your ear that won't go away. The sound is as loud as if a microwave had been left with the door open, and it's right next to your ear. Whatever you do, you will not be able to silence the noise. It's as if you had an endless loop of your own particular soundtrack playing in your brain, like being trapped in repeat performance by one of those birds that just won't quit singing. Do you see it? That's tinnitus, the auditory ailment that affects 1 in 5 people globally. And in this video, we'll cover all you need to know about it, from its origins, to its causes, to its treatments using natural methods. One more thing before we dive in. Make sure to stay till the end of the video, because we have a couple of funny facts about the condition we know you'll love to hear. All right, let's put an end to that ringing. Welcome to Wellness Wonders. On this channel, we will talk about getting healthy, utilizing both the conventional Western medicine and the more holistic and integrative approaches advocated by the Eastern medicine tenets. If this is something that appeals to you, be sure to stay around for more content like this. What is tinnitus? Now, of course, we have given you a picture at the start of the video to help you get the concept, but let's come clean with our words now. Tinnitus is the sense of sound in the ears, such as ringing, buzzing, hissing, chirping, whistling, or other sounds, when there is no external source of the sound. It's a common illness that affects millions of people. It can be mild and annoying, and it can last for a long time and make it hard to do anything. It is a disorder that may be brought on by a number of different things, such as hearing loss, prolonged exposure to loud sounds, certain drugs, stress, and underlying medical issues. When it comes to tinnitus, it is believed that it is produced by changes in the neuronal activity of the auditory pathways, which are basically the area of the brain that is responsible for processing sound. Additionally, these shifts might be brought on by a wide variety of different factors. Hearing loss is one of the primary causes of this problem. Hearing loss is a natural part of aging, and prolonged exposure to loud noises can be harmful to one's hearing in some people. Tinnitus can happen when the outer ear can't send a signal to the inner ear that is as clear. This causes the brain to get confused and start firing on all cylinders. Problems in the inner ear, such as Meniere's disease, are another potential explanation. Vertigo, tinnitus, and hearing loss are all symptoms that may be brought on by Meniere's disease, which is a serious disorder that impairs both our hearing and our balance. The exact reason why it causes tinnitus is still a mystery, but it is thought that it has something to do with the amount of fluid in the inner ear. Earwax is another surprise factor that can contribute to the development of tinnitus. But it is true that a buildup of earwax can make it harder for sound to travel from the ear canal to the cochlea. This can cause pressure changes that are felt as tinnitus. Tinnitus can also be brought on by a blow to the head or neck, just as a concussion would be. The shock could cause damage to the auditory pathways, which could lead to changes in the activity of the neurons in the auditory cortex and tinnitus. There's also a connection between tinnitus and cardiovascular conditions, including high blood pressure and aneurysms in certain cases. It is not quite obvious why this is the case, although it is suspected that variations in the blood flow to the auditory cortex may have something to do with it. Tinnitus may be brought on by issues with the jaw, such as temporomandibular joint syndrome, TMJS. When the jaw starts to move in a strange way, it can mess up the way neurons in the auditory pathways work and make the ears feel like they are ringing. Tinnitus can be caused by a number of different drugs. It has been linked to a variety of medications, including aspirin, antibiotics, and some antidepressants. However, the precise mechanism by which these medications bring on the condition is not completely understood. Researchers are putting forth a lot of effort to learn the truth about tinnitus and come up with efficient therapies. But the specific processes that cause the condition are still a bit of a mystery. If this condition is left untreated or unaddressed, it can lead to a number of negative consequences. Hearing a buzzing or ringing sound in your ears all the time may be quite upsetting and have a negative effect on your quality of life in many ways. Anxiety and worry are only the beginning of the problems they may cause. The noise might be annoying and stop you from doing what you normally do, making you feel tired and worried. To add insult to injury, tinnitus might disrupt a restful night's sleep. When your ear buzzes or rings, it might be difficult to go to sleep and remain asleep, and a lack of quality sleep has been linked to a variety of health issues. Having this happen late at night, when you're trying to relax and recharge, can be really annoying. Tinnitus sufferers may find it difficult to focus, especially in peaceful settings. Especially if you're at work or school and trying to concentrate, this may be a major distraction. Your productivity at work and general happiness might suffer as a result. Hearing buzzing or ringing in the ears all the time might make a person depressed and gloomy. This is particularly true if treatment for your symptoms has been unsuccessful. Tinnitus can be so upsetting that it makes it hard to enjoy even the most ordinary things, like going to a movie, reading a book, or watching TV. Untreated tinnitus can have serious consequences, including impairment in everyday functioning and even disability. That's why those who are experiencing tinnitus should see their doctor right away if they want to alleviate their symptoms. You can stop the illness from worsening with treatment and management and lead a normal, healthy life. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that subscribe button for more content like this. It would really help our small channel grow so we can make even more videos for you. We've been talking about the downsides of tinnitus, and you might be wondering if anything can be done. Well, yes, there's hope. In addition to traditional medical treatment options, there are several natural remedies that have been shown to help manage tinnitus symptoms. From sound therapy to herbal remedies and beyond, there are options available that don't require medication. So sit back, relax, and let's explore some of the best natural remedies for tinnitus. First off, eating a healthy diet that is low in salt and avoiding foods that are known to cause inflammation, such as processed foods and alcohol, can help reduce tinnitus symptoms. Some people feel better when they stay away from caffeine and chocolate, which can make the inner ear more sensitive. Also, regular exercise can help reduce stress and anxiety, two factors that can worsen tinnitus symptoms. It also increases blood flow, which can help improve tinnitus in some people. Adding background sounds, like white noise or a fan, can help mask the sound of tinnitus and make it easier to deal with. In regards to sound therapy, it's like having a personal DJ for your ears. You could choose from different sounds that resonate with you the most and play them in the background. It's a great way to distract from tinnitus and promote relaxation. Lipoflavonoid supplements are like a power-up for your inner ear. They have been shown in research studies to help reduce tinnitus symptoms by decreasing histamine production and preventing accumulation of fatty deposits, which in turn improves circulation. It's like taking your ears to the gym. And as for herbal remedies, ginkgo biloba is like a superhero for your tinnitus. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties have been shown to improve blood flow and reduce tinnitus symptoms. Just make sure to consult your doctor before taking any new supplements. There is also acupuncture, which is like giving your tinnitus the needle. Acupuncture is a way to treat tinnitus and improve overall health by putting thin needles into specific points on the body. It's a painless way to get relief. Finally, with relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga, you can turn down the volume on your tinnitus. These techniques can help relieve the symptoms of tinnitus and improve your overall health by making you less stressed and worried. It's like hitting the mute button for your tinnitus. Relieved, yeah? Of course, tinnitus isn't a death sentence, and we've proved it to you. You might be surprised to learn that tinnitus can be quite the prankster at times. Tinnitus is often compared to bells, which makes sense since the feeling caused by the condition is often described as ringing. And boy does it ring. Consider those who hear crickets chirping in their ears and wonder, wait a minute, is it already summer? And then there are those who answer the phone, thinking it's ringing, only to realize it's just their tinnitus playing tricks on them. It's like tinnitus is always up to some kind of mischievous mischief. Some folks even refer to tinnitus as the DJ of the ear, playing all sorts of tunes and beats, from simple ringing to complex symphonies. Some people even report hearing the beep beep of the classic Star Trek communicator, like they're on a mission to boldly go where no one has gone before. And let's not forget about the video game enthusiasts who hear a familiar 8-bit melody in their heads, like they're playing their favorite game in surround sound. But despite the fun and sometimes amusing experiences that tinnitus can bring, it can also lead to increased stress and anxiety, making it important to seek treatment and management options. And with that, it's a wrap. Thank you for staying till the end. We're sure you've learned so much and laughed a little. Don't forget to leave us a comment if you have suggestions or questions for us. We'd love to hear from you. Also, make sure to like and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so to get more amazing and helpful content. Until next time, bye.